Good afternoon, this is Punch, Parts Manager, Mark Wahlberg, Airstream in Lorain here. I'm going to go over a quick tutorial on your brake controller for your trailer. For the larger trailers, they are a must for safety. This right here is the brake controller. This is our Husky Quest brake controller. This is a great controller because it does work on inertia, so the brakes are not going to go on just because you're tapping your brake. So what this controller does is when you do step on the brake, a light will come on and it'll tell you how much you're braking, and it will actually operates the brakes on your trailer with very limited additional wiring. This is going to be your gain, and this is how much the brakes are going to apply on the trailer. 50%, 55%. And then the side button here is going to be the sensitivity, because this is inertia controlled. It's going to let you know how sensitive the inertia control is going to be in here. So I usually tell everybody when they're starting, start off low, because what's going to happen is if you feel the trailer stopping your truck, your gain on your controller is too high. You're going to want to lower your gain. Now, if you're driving and you go to stop and it feels like the trailer is pushing your vehicle, your gain is too low. It's going to vary vehicle to vehicle, trailer to trailer. If your trailer starts swaying uncontrollably, your anti-sway kit in your car doesn't work, or you're running into some issue, or God forbid, the brakes fail on your tow vehicle, you have a button here. Activate your trailer brakes independently. And the harder you push it down, the harder your trailer brakes are going to activate. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.